Good afternoon, folks, and welcome back to the channel. Tell you what, this one is a winner. We're talking a 3-bed, 2-bath, double wide home coming in just over 1,500 square feet. This unit's called the Mill House, and it is a winner from head to toe, and I'm so happy that you're along with us to take a look at the virtual tour of this home. Where we find ourselves today, we're at Clayton Homes here of East Palaca, Florida, up in the northeastern quadrant of the state. Mario is going to be the man with the plan. He's going to be your main contact. He was so very nice allowing us to come up today, film some of his homes on his dealership lot, and we are very happy to be here. So what we're going to do is we'll take a quick tour on the outside, jump on the inside, wrap up with some numbers on this home to see if this home is right for you or somebody that you know. And as always, folks, I'm sure you have heard it, I have covertly scheduled all of the loudest trucks in the county to come over and say hi while we're out doing this tour on the outside. So I'll do the best I can to speak loudly and clearly on the outside tour here. Now, if you're new to the channel, thanks so much for coming and hanging out. We greatly appreciate it. And we just ask that you do us one special favor. Hit that subscribe button there in the lower right-hand corner, guys. Become a part of the mobile home dealer community as we have a great time showcasing some of the most beautiful homes in the entire industry. We're so happy that you're with us on this virtual tour of the Mill House. Now, as we take a look on the back side here, a couple of things I want to point out. I think they did a great job, including the skirting here on the demo model. That gives every customer a really good idea of exactly what the home is going to look like when it comes from their lot and gets placed on your property, whether you put it in a park or on your own land. Another thing I want to mention here is you're going to notice that we're missing stairs on the back. Don't worry about that, guys. A lot of times on dealership lots, when they're demo models, the dealers won't actually put stairs on all the access points. It just becomes a lot to do to get these homes set. They're going to include those on the setup of the home, so don't need to worry about that. Speaking of skirting, I think it's neat what they did here. I don't see a lot of that. It's gonna be kind of a faux stone skirting on the front. Sometimes you see dealers do that. It looks really hokey. I think Clayton did a great job with this. I think they put a good quality setup on the front end to really give the front a diverse look. So you got the stone on the front, you got the vinyl, you got the vertical here, and then almost like the wooded shingle side going on there. So it looks like it flows very, very well. I gotta tip my cap to Clayton on this Mill House model. That looks very, very nice. Now, as we enter the home, let us know what you think on this. I think the entryway really makes a statement for the rest of the property. A lot of cosmetic effects going on here in the Mill House. This is one of the things that really grabbed my attention right when I saw it the first time. Give me that built-in fireplace. We're not talking an accent wall. We're talking an accent quadrant of the home there. Because if I get closer to it, you'll really see. I like how they did the ceiling there. Leads us right in here. You know, sometimes you see these accent walls, and it's really essentially just a piece of plywood, you know, painted nice and nailed into the wall. And that's fine. You know, it does a nice job. Not this one. Not this one, guys. I mean, you got a full built-out 2-section wall, built-in fireplace. You got the mantle here. If you want to hang some photos or something like that off. I like also how they did the side here. Let's see if that's going to be. It's like a wallpaper. I'll tell you what, that's a great looking wallpaper. So it's not like a real wood, like inlay type deal. It's gonna be a wallpaper on it. But regardless, I think they did a great job. And I also like how they did the built out on the side of that accent wall. So it's really coming at you. So great job, Clayton, on this Mill House with this one. Kitchen is absolutely huge, very spacious. I like how they have the knee savers here for the island, you know, so it's not just a flat shelf and you wind up having your soup fall in your lap. You have it, you know, kind of that hangover. So I think they did a nice job with that, and you can scoot right in there with the pub stools. Kitchen appliances look fantastic. Those are going to be thrown in on the deal by Mario and his team. Tons and tons of cabinetry all the way throughout. Looks like, and it is, a stone backsplash there. Cabinet's in great shape, looking looking sharp. Another thing about this island, very large, and again with the 4 stools, but they also have very usable space here with the dishwasher, but you also have all of these deep cabinets, which is very nice. So you can put all of your kitchen gizmos in there, which is very nice. Sometimes they just have these huge islands and they're not usable, which always kind of blows my mind. Cabinets for days. So if you're a chef, you're a cook, you got plenty of space. Okay, if you're familiar with the channel and if you're a repeat offender on this channel, you're gonna know how much I like the separate door into the business part of the house. Okay, because you've got even your laundry area here, open space. There's your laundry spot there for your stackables, extra cabinet, extra dry hanging area. And then you're gonna have, your hot water heater. Missing a door handle, that's okay. And a air return. So with the power side there. So very nice, very nice. I really like how they have the extra folding counter there. And I absolutely love the fact that they have a separate door. So it keeps all of the business on one side. The only thing I would like to see, they don't have it, that's okay. And I frankly don't know how they would do that, is if we had a like an access door here. I think that's the only thing that I would troubleshoot on this if I was trying to be super pessimistic on this floor plan. If you had just an open area where a service tech could walk in and work on the panel or something, that would be the only thing that I'm seeing here. Okay, but even that's a miniature. That's a tiny comment, because I think that area of the house flows extremely well. Speaking of the extra entrance, we have it right here, going right into the dining table. I like that. Stick your head out the window like my mom used to when we were kids, yell to the back of us that the dinner was ready, and come do what we need to do here. Now, for the 3-bed, 2-bath, I like how they have the guest bedrooms on one side, and they're good space, guys. They're good space all the way throughout with your walk-in closet. Sharing a wall on the guest rooms. I think that's a good usage of space. Good size on this one as well. I don't have the exact numbers on this for the dimensions, but I believe they're probably identical in size and space, both with 2 very good and very deep closets. Now, this is a winner. This is a huge winner in my book. Okay, we have a 3-bed, 2-bath double with dual vanities. Okay, this is fantastic. I can only imagine if my 2 brothers and I had to wrestle with one vanity with extra bedrooms, it'd be like a WWE Monday Night Raw thing if we were trying to wrestle for that. So I think it's fantastic. They really thought ahead. They put the double vanity and they put plenty of space in between with the tub shower there and then the toilet in the corner. So again, nice job there, Clayton, on thinking ahead with that. I do like how they did the accent panels as well. That perfectly frames the kitchen. And then the master bedroom on the opposite side of the house provides great flow, more of a private retreat for the master. A couple of things on this one. Very deep closet. Again, they're going to always have construction materials in most of these homes, guys. These are demo units. Pay no mind to those. I always hear that question in the comments. So no concern. Those will be moved. But the master bath, as you saw in the thumbnail, fantastic with the deep tub, huge window, dual vanity with usable cabinets. And then take a look at the shower. Now, this is absolutely a party shower if I've ever seen one. We got real tile. I like how they did the horizontal tile lay. I think it opens up the space even more. I mean, that's a very large shower, but even with the horizontal, it opens it up. And then the shower step, I'll show you with my handy dandy clipboard of justice here. That's probably going to be about a 10-inch step, guys. 9.5, 10-inch step. So it's going to be a little high on the entry step. And then when we go over the side, you're going to see, I don't know, maybe about 6 inches on the entry once you get in there. So that would be something to be conscious of if you have problems taking stairs or taking steps. It's going to be a bit of a higher step, but other than that, this mill house This is awesome. This is an awesome, awesome floor plan inside and out. And it sets the tone right there with this accent wall. So what do you guys think? I mean, I'm jacked up on this one, but what do you guys think about the mill house? Is this going to work for you? Are you as excited about this one as I am? Or is this not going to work for you? Let us know in the comments below. I think it's a winner. Now, as far as contact information, we'll go ahead and put Mario's contact. He's the man with the plan. Give him a call. Send him a text message there in the lower right-hand corner. Let him know that you saw this home on our community page. He'll be more than happy to hook you up as best as he can with a community-specific price. Thanks so much for coming on the tour of the mill house model. My name is Mark. You've been with the Mobile Home Dealer. And as always, folks, we'll see y'all on the next one.